Okay, I'm here with my stepdaughter Caitlin, and we are going to be unboxing and installing this Airaid Throttle Body Spacer. We just received this from Airaid, and going to open it up, see what we got inside here. Oh, we got a nice little sticker for there. We got the throttle body spacer itself, and gasket, all things we're going to need, and new set of bolts to replace the ones coming out of the throttle body. So, let's get started.
Oh, it's this part that comes off?
Yeah, first thing we're going to do is loosen the bolts on the throttle body. There's 4 of them.
I wonder if this actually works. I hope it does.
I hope
Especially
so.
for $140.
Yeah, it says it's supposed to increase gas mileage and low-end torque. Let's see here. So, little red tab on your plug. You're going to pull it up so it releases it. Pull that off. We got the 2 top bolts off. Then we got to undo this hose. So we take a screwdriver and
Oh, it's the same sort of locked up on the doors and stuff.
same thing. Jeep is notorious for that. Let's see here. Looks like I'm going to need a socket, so okay, so there's your throttle body going into your intake. Okay, so we have the throttle body here. We have our spacer. It looks like it goes in here. Slip inside intake. Then take our gasket, pull on the outside here, bring the throttle body up to it. Give me one of those with a bolt with a washer on it, please. Take one of the bolts they supply with it. There we go. And what this is supposed to do is, with the ridges that are specifically designed inside of the spacer we installed, it's supposed to take the air coming in and make a vortex so it actually pushes more air into the intake at a faster rate, giving us better low-end torque and hopefully, as it says, better gas mileage. We're going to have an issue with that one. We're going to have to take these out. That lower bolt is hitting on your top radiator hose, so we're going to have to change how we're putting this in. So what we're going to do, hold the gasket in place, put the bottom right one in first, and then let it slip into place. Takes care of our problem. So if you're looking for a big change of appearance on the engine, not going to happen. You get a little 1/4 inch ring of red, splash of color, but that's about it. Okay, then we put our hose back on. And then, last but not least, plug in the sensor. And we're done. And that's it. That is the simple install of the Airaid throttle body spacer. It's supposed to give you some low-end torque and better gas mileage. And I want to give a special shout out to Red Rubicon Hannah. Just wanted to say, hey, thanks for your support, and we'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.